Welcome back. My name is Bodo, and today I'm gonna teach you how to say speak in Thai. Speak. Speak up. Speak in Thai is พูด Alright? Right there. พูด Falling tone. พูด Like sitting down or jump off the bridge. พูด Like พูด Okay? Practice that. พูด means speak. Probably wonder like how you use that in a sentence. Well, that's why I'm here. I'm going to teach you how to use that in a sentence. พูด Alright? The sentence today is คุณพูดอะไร Means what do you just say? What do you speak of? คุณพูดอะไร At the end you can say ครับ or ค่ะ or ค่ะ if you want to. Because the question mark is a question kind of sentence. It'll be คุณพูดอะไรคะ For female use คะ Alright? Male use ครับ Okay? The both is a polite gesture at the end of a word or a sentence, usually at the end of the sentence. Okay? คุณพูดอะไรครับ means what do you just say? Can you repeat that? คุณพูดอะไรครับ or if female will be คุณพูดอะไรคะ Alright? Now, next sentence. What was it behind me, man? I feel like someone is standing behind me. It's like, oh, paranoid. Next sentence. You're speaking too much. คุณพูดมาก คุณ means you. Alright? พูดมาก means speaking too much. Okay? Maybe sometimes it's just better to just listen. You know? พูดมาก You're just annoyed. You're like, God, you like stop non-stop talking. พูดมาก Speak too much. Alright? Or talk too much. Next one is ไม่พูด means stop speaking. Stop talking. ไม่พูด ผมไม่พูด means I'm not speaking. I'm not saying a word. Okay? Or you can say ทำไม means why. ทำไมคุณไม่พูด means why don't you speak? Why don't you say something? You know? ทำไมคุณไม่พูด Okay? พูดคุย means conversation. Okay? Like someone is like, talking and you just walking by. That's what you heard is พูดคุย means conversation between a couple people or a group of people. But if you heard conversation with just one person, then you maybe just try to get away from that. พูดคุย means conversation. Alright. คุณมีอะไรพูดมา Intermediate. Regular speed. Are you ready? คุณมีอะไรพูดมา means you have something to say it. Slowly. คุณมีอะไรพูดมา คุณ means you. มีอะไร have something. พูดมา means just speak up. คุณมีอะไรพูดมา Basically it means you have something to say it. You know that maybe you're in an argument. คุณมีอะไรพูดมา means you have something to say, just say it. Okay? Alright. That's several ways to use the word speak. พูด Practice that. พูด Okay? If you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace!